Are you waiting on Mama to make the cheese toast? You peeked your head out just enough to see what Mommy was cooking. I love you, my lovely, my lovely cheese toast. I'm going to sing the cheese. Sing about the cheese toast. Oh, so good. Oh, my goodness. Oh. This Lola wants her cheese toast. Oh, what a good girl. So life is so hard. Get fed cheese toast in your favorite chair under your mommy's blankie. Such a good girl. You gonna go say cheese toast? Woo woo. No? Okay.